Learning Curve from Procurement Lexicon. For more such procurement terminologies, please download the Procurement Lexicon Guide. The link is available in the description below. In procurement and manufacturing, a learning curve represents a graphical or mathematical representation of the relationship between the cumulative production of a product or completion of a process and the associated reduction in cost or time per unit. It is based on the principle that as workers or organizations become more experienced and skilled at producing a specific product or executing a particular task, they become more efficient, leading to reduced costs and shorter production times. The learning curve concept is crucial in estimating future production costs, setting performance targets, and assessing the impact of process improvements. To explore all the 2,500 plus procurement terminologies, download the Procurement Lexicon at www.procurementlexicon.com. For globally recognized procurement and supply chain certifications, please visit www.physics.net.